So on 12th October 2024, a team of 3 mountaineers embarked on a quest to scale Mount Deo Tibba in an Alpine style. The plan as usual was simple, that is to push further, stay healthy, attempt the summit and return back safely. In our support at the base camp, we had Ravi and Deepak. Both of them are qualified mountaineers, but currently their role was to assist us in the base camp with food and related things. Most important being staying in communication with the team ahead of base camp. Admirable initiatives of Rahul from time to time. Great food at base camp, logical planning. We did our load ferry reconnaissance of the route through the Call, and we were back to our base camp for rest in the remaining half of the day and ready to leave for the further climb the following day.
Shahid for base camp over.
pass the message.
अभी हम एडवांस बेस कैंप पहुंचे हैं, वी डिसेंडिंग डाउन, नीचे उतर रहे हैं, तो खाना अकॉर्डिंगली तैयार रखना होगा।
आप लोगों को मैक्सिमम कितना टाइम लगेगा बेस कैंप पहुंचने में?
मैक्सिमम 45 मिनट्स ओवर।
ओके सर,
ओवर एंड आउट। All right, so we are just back from our dump point, which was ahead of advanced base camp. So tomorrow we intend to proceed towards the pole, that is Duhangan pole, and we'll pick up our luggage and equipment which we have dumped on the way. We are back to our base camp inside our tent, and to our fortune, Rahul has brought something.
So right now we are having, this is a persimmon, and this is the variety with the name of Puyu. So this is known as stringent, so we can eat it when it's not ripe. So we are enjoying this at the base camp, and this is one of the best fruit according to me and according to Shahid sir. You could have your preferences, but it's awesome to have. fruits when you came out from such a hectic hike. Thank you guys. See you.
राहुल यहाँ देखो. So right now, I along with my two climbing buddies, we are at Duangan Call.
The Wangan call did test our grit and determination, as the route ahead was steep, rocky, and full of rockfall hazards.
बहुत ताज़ा हवा है यहाँ पे. ऐसी हवा कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. So this was one of the most treacherous climb to Duangan Call. बत्ती बंद तो नहीं है, अभी तक तो नहीं हुई, बट लग जरूर गई.
On reaching the summit camp, we discovered a panoramic view of the valley beyond and ahead of us. The valley ahead of us was a mix of dangerous and cold beauty. After quick reconnaissance of the route ahead of summit camp, we were back to the camp for rest and gearing up for the midnight summit push. The entire route till the summit was icy. It did test our grit, determination, leadership, team skills, and above all, our climbing abilities.
Here we are on the way to the summit of Mount Deo Tibba, negotiating this final gully. It's been commendable efforts by the team comprising of me, Komal, and Rahul. Chalo. See you. Guys, so the date today is 16th of October, and me along with my climbing buddy Rahul, and it's time for us to return back. It's quite late, and the surrounding region is something like this. Behind me, if I'm not wrong, that's Mount Indrasan, right? And that's how the surrounding view is. That's all for now.